animals. Lesson content. Nutrition in animals involves how they obtain and utilize food. Unlike plants, animals cannot make their own food and must get it from other organisms. This leads to different modes of nutrition, classified mainly into 1. Holozoic nutrition. This is the most common form of nutrition in animals. It involves ingestion, taking in food through the mouth. Digestion, breaking food into simpler substances. Absorption, transport of nutrients into the blood. Assimilation, using the absorbed food in cells. Digestion, a removal of undigested waste. Types of holozoic feeders. Herbivores feed on plants only, e.g., cow, goat. Carnivores feed on animals only, e.g., lion, hawk. Omnivores feed on both plants and animals, e.g., human, pig. 2. Parasitic nutrition. Animals live on or inside a host organism and feed on it. Endoparasites live inside the body, e.g., tapeworm. Ectoparasites live on the surface of the host, e.g., lice. 3. Saprophytic nutrition. Feeding on dead and decaying organic matter by secreting enzymes externally, e.g., some fungi. Question. A. Name and explain 3 modes of nutrition in animals. B. Give 2 examples of parasitic animals. Final answer. Holozoic feeding on solid food, e.g., human. Parasitic feeding on a host, e.g., tapeworm. Saprophytic feeding on decaying matter, e.g., fungi. Lesson 19. Dentition in animals. Lesson content. Dentition refers to the arrangement, number, and types of teeth in the mouth. It varies depending on an animal's diet. Types of teeth in mammals. Incisors, flat and sharp for cutting. Canines, pointed for tearing flesh. Premolars and molars, broad for grinding and chewing. Types of dentition. Heterodont animals have different types of teeth, e.g., human. Homodont all teeth are similar in shape and size, e.g., fish. Comparison between herbivores and carnivores. Feature herbivores, carnivores. Incisors sharp for cutting plants, smaller or absent. Canines absent or small, large and sharp. Molars broad and ridged, sharp-edged for slicing meat. Human dental formula. I February 2nd, C January 1st, PM February 2nd, M3 divided by 3 is equal to 32. This shows the number of each type of tooth in one half of each jaw. Question. Compare the dentition of a herbivore and a carnivore. Final answer. Herbivores, strong molars, small or no canines. Carnivores, sharp canines, sharp molars. Lesson 20. Process of digestion in humans. Lesson content. Digestion is the breakdown of complex food substances into simpler, absorbable forms. Main parts of the human digestive system. Mouth, chewing and saliva begin starch digestion with amylase. Esophagus transports food to the stomach via peristalsis. Stomach, acid and enzymes break down proteins, churns food into chyme. Small intestine, digestion continues and nutrients are absorbed. Duodenum receives bile and pancreatic enzymes. Ileum absorbs nutrients through villi into blood. Large intestine absorbs water and forms feces. Rectum and anus store and expel waste. Main digestive enzymes and their roles. Enzyme source acts on product. Amylase saliva and pancreas starch maltose. Pepsin stomach proteins peptides. Lipase pancreas fats fatty acids and glycerol. Question. What is the function of the small intestine in human digestion? Final answer. Completes digestion using enzymes. Absorbs nutrients into blood via villi.